All right, today let's do the hands-on for converting column data types. So sometimes the data comes in wrong format. For example, the sales amount might be stored as text instead of numbers. In Fabric, we can cast it into an integer using the cast function. The conversion ensures calculations like sum, average works correctly, right? What we do basically in Excel as well. So just like we select it, auto sum, so the sum happens because it is treating as an integer or a number. But let's say if it is text, it won't be able to add it up, right? So that is the thing we'll be doing in Fabric today. So I'm in my the workspace. First things first, we need to definitely create one lake house for this demo. I'll name it as column convert LH for lake house. I'll click on create. So once it is created, our usual steps. First, we need to upload the files. I'll click on three dots, upload files, then browse from my local computer our source file. So let's browse our raw sales file. Let's click on upload. All right, green tick mark means it's done. I'll just refresh it. Now we are able to see the file. I'll click on three dot and load it in a new table. So the table name is raw sales. Since it's a CSV file, I'm good with the comma separator, and our first line is the header. So it's loading it to a table now. Let's wait for a while. All right, looks like the table got created. Let's view the data here. All right, the data looks good. Now let's switch to SQL Analytics endpoint so that we can run our query and do the cast for the column. I'll click on new query. So I'll paste. Let's hit the run, and there we go. So here we might not face any trouble, but in real life IT projects, if let's say the one of the sales amount column was in some kind of string or text, some kind of format, so then there we might face trouble. So there, how do we handle? We cast it as integer because we need this for analysis. So it's always best practice to check column types before analysis. It's a small step that prevent big error. So that's what it goes for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in our next lecture.